Hello everyone and welcome to today's online class for class 11. Next we are going to compare the stability of He2 and He2 plus species. Let's construct the energy level diagram for these two species. He2. He molecule has 1s. He atom has 1s orbital. So this is one He molecule, this is another He molecule, 1s orbital of He molecule that are combined. By combining these two, there will be two molecular orbital of He2 species. One will be bonding molecular orbital having lower energy sigma 1s, and another will be anti-bonding with higher energy sigma star 1s. The first He atom will have 2 electrons and the second He atom will have also 2 electrons. So therefore there will be more, there will be in total 4 electrons in the molecular orbital, and it will be according to the electronic configuration rule that they will fill up. The first 2 electrons will be filled in the sigma 1s, then the higher energy level 1 is sigma star 1s will be filled by the remaining 2, and that's how the energy level diagram of He2 species is constructed. Now the bond order, before doing the bond order, the electronic configuration of these species will be 1 is to sigma 1 is 2 and sigma star 1 is 2. This is the electronic configuration for He2 species. And the bond order for He2 species is 2 number of electron in the bonding orbital minus of 2 number of electron in the anti-bonding orbital divided by 2. This will give 0. As the bond order is found to be 0, this implies that the existence of He2 molecule has no significance. That is, He2 molecule do not exist. This is the another advantage of MO theory, that we can explain why certain types of molecule in the nature do not exist. Like helium exists as monoatomic molecule, not diatomic molecule. Why? It was explained on the basis of this MO theory. Let's try to construct the energy level diagram for He2 plus species. One is for one He molecule, atomic orbital. Another one is atomic orbital for He plus molecule plus ion. When these two atomic orbital combine, they create two molecular orbital. One having lower energy bonding, one is sigma 1 is orbital. Another anti-bonding, more stable, more unstable, having more energy, anti-bonding sigma star 1 is orbital. This is the molecular orbital MO of He2 plus species. The number of electrons in the first He atomic orbital contains 2 electrons, and He plus 1s atomic orbital contains 1 electron. So total number of electrons in the molecular orbital will be 3. The first two will occupy this more stable sigma 1s orbital, and the remaining one will occupy more unstable sigma star 1s orbital. And thus the electronic configuration for this one will be 1 is 2, sigma 1 is 2 and sigma star 1 is 1. This is the electronic configuration, molecular orbital electronic configuration for this species He2 plus. The bond order for this one is MBO He2 plus number of electron in bonding orbital 2 minus of 1 in anti-bonding orbital divided by 2. This will give 0.5. This positive value 0.5 indicate that you can actually construct or produce He2 plus species, He2 plus molecule, He2 plus ion. The existence of He2 plus, actually there is a significance, you can produce He2 plus molecules. And not only that, it also signifies that this species is actually paramagnetic in nature. Now we are going to compare the stability of lithium-2 species. Lithium, the electronic configuration, we are going to construct the energy level diagram from lithium-2 with the help of electronic configuration of lithium atom. This is the electronic configuration of lithium atom. So, when two lithium atom combine, all of their atomic orbital combines. Like this is the 1s of lithium 1 atom, and there is 2s orbital which is having a little bit higher energy compared to this 1s lithium atom. In similar way, on the opposite side, lithium 2 atom will be having its 1s orbital and also its 2s orbital. These are the two atomic orbital of two lithium atom that are combining. The molecular orbital will be the combination of these two orbitals. The first 1s orbital will combine and produce two orbital, one anti-bonding orbital and one bonding orbital, that is one sigma 1s orbital, another sigma star 1s orbital. In similar manner, these 2s will also combine and form an anti-bonding orbital and one bonding orbital. The bonding orbital will be more stable, sigma 2s orbital, and the anti-bonding will be comparatively more unstable, sigma star 2s orbital. This is the MO diagram, molecular orbital diagram of lithium-2 species. Now, lithium atom contains 2 electrons in the 1s orbital and 1 electron in 2s orbital. The similar will be for the second lithium atom. When they are combining, the total numbers of 6 electrons will be filling up this molecular orbital in accordance with their energy state. The lowest energy is the sigma 1s, so this will be filled by 2 electrons first, then another 2 will be filled in the sigma star 2s, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the remaining 2 will be filled in the sigma 2s. This is how the electronic configuration, electronic filling will be happen in the MO of the lithium-2 species. Let's construct the electronic configuration for the molecular orbital. That will be sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2. This is the electronic configuration for the lithium-2 species. And the bonding of bond order for lithium-2 species will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 numbers of electron in the bonding orbital. Divided by minus of total 2 numbers of electron in the anti-bonding orbital divided by 2. This will give bond order 1. So the stability of lithium molecules is having the bond order 2, and the electronic configuration for lithium-2 molecule is sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2 and sigma 2s2. Now we are going to compare the stability of Be2 molecule. Let's see whether the Be2 molecule exists or not. Let's try to construct the energy level diagram for the molecular orbital of Be2. Beryllium atom, the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2. in the first beryllium atom there will be one 1s atomic orbital and another 2s atomic orbital with a little higher energy. In the second beryllium atom also there will be one 1s atomic orbital and a second 2s atomic orbital with comparatively higher energy compared to the 1s. Therefore, there will be two molecular orbital formed by the combination of first 1s orbitals. One will be in higher energy, more unstable, that is the antibonding molecular orbital sigma star 1s. One will be formed more stable, sigma 1s. Similarly, by the combination of two 2s orbital, two orbital or molecular orbital will also form. One will be antibonding, having more energy, sigma star 2s. One will be having lesser energy, sigma 2s bonding orbital. That is how the molecular orbitals of beryllium-2 molecule will be formed, should be formed. Now, in the 1s orbital of beryllium, there are 2 electrons, and similarly in the 2s orbital there are 2 electrons also. That is the same case for the second beryllium atom that are combining. So, total numbers of 8 electrons are going to be occupying the molecular orbitals, and they will be occupying the molecular orbital in accordance with their energy level. The first will be filled, the sigma 1s will be filled first because it is having the lowest energy, and the second will be filled the sigma star 1s and then sigma 2s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 has already been filled. The remaining 2 will occupy the sigma star 2s orbital. So the electronic configuration for beryllium 2 molecule will be sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2. This is the electronic configuration for beryllium 2 molecule. Let's calculate the bond order. The total number of electrons in the bonding orbital is the 1, 2 in the sigma 1s orbital and 3, 4 in the sigma 2s orbital. So 4, and total number of electrons in antibonding orbital is 1, 2 in the sigma star 1s, 3, 4 in the sigma star 2s. 4 minus 4 divided by 0 equals to 0. So the bond order is calculated, is found to be 0. This implies that beryllium 2 molecule has no existence in nature, which is true because beryllium is a monoatomic vapor gaseous element. It has no existence in diatomic existence as a diatomic molecule, which evidently can be explained with the help of this energy level MO diagram, in which the bond order is found to be 0. Now we are going to construct the energy level diagram for B2 molecule. In B2 molecule, boron atom have the electronic configuration 2s2, 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. During the construction of energy level diagram, the first boron atom will have an atomic orbital diagram in this manner. There will be 1s orbital, and then there will be 2s orbital, and then there will be 3 degenerated 2p orbital. On the similar manner, for the second boron atom, the atomic orbital diagram will follow as this: 1s orbital, then 2s orbital with a little bit higher in energy, and the remaining and the 3 degenerate atomic orbital of 2p will be at a little bit higher energy. When the atomic orbital will be created, at first 2s orbital will combine and create 2 atomic orbital. One will be the anti-bonding and one will be the bonding atomic orbital. That is sigma 1 is, another one is sigma star 1 is. When 2s orbital will combine, they also create two orbital, one bonding and another one anti-bonding. The bonding orbital will be sigma 2s and the anti-bonding will be sigma star 2s. Now when 2p orbital combines, there are three degenerated 2p orbitals. One of the three orbitals will combine head on and create the sigma bond, and remaining two will combine and create the pi molecular orbitals. So among the three, one 2p orbital will combine with one 2p orbital of among these three and create a sigma atomic orbital. This is sigma 2p, this is sigma 2p. Let's say this is 2pz and sigma star 2pz. So remaining 2px and 2py will create the pi bond, and both of them will have a similar amount of energy. This is pi 2px 2py, pi star. This is pi 2px 2py. That is how the molecular orbitals of the B2 will be constructed, will be formed by the combination of each molecular orbital, which will result in anti-bonding and bonding molecular orbitals. Now, each boron atom contains 2 electron in 1s, 2 electron is 2p, and 1 electron in 2 electron is 2s, and 1 electron in 2p. The similar will be for the second boron atom. So total numbers of electrons are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 electrons are there in the boron atom. That will be filling the molecular orbital that has been created in the accordance with their relative stability. The first one will be filled from the sigma 1s, and then will be sigma star 2s will be filled, then sigma 2s will be filled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electron has been already been filled. The remaining 4 will be filling. First sigma star 2s, 8 electron has been filled, and now 2 electrons are there. Now they will be filling the pi 2x, 2px and 2py, as both of them are having same energy. First electron will be filling this one and second electron will be filled this thing. That is how the electronic configuration for the molecular orbital will follow, and the electronic configuration will be B2 for the molecule. B2 is sigma 1 is to sigma star 1 is to sigma 2 is to sigma star 2 is to pi 2px 2py 2. Now this pi 2px 2py 2 meaning pi 2px contain 1 electron, pi 2py contain 1 electron. I have only written all of them together because both of them are degenerate. This degenerate term meaning that having similar amount of energy, similar in energy, similar in stability. This is the electronic configuration for the boron 2 molecule. Let's calculate the bond order for B2. Number of bonding electron 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 electrons are there minus anti-bonding electron 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 2. This will give 1. That is the bond order for B2 molecule is 1. That is that there is a little bit of stability in the B2 molecule. The next molecule that we are going to construct the energy level and molecular diagram is the carbon. C2. The electronic configuration for carbon atom is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. The first carbon atom, the atomic orbital diagram will follow. 1s, a little bit higher 2s, and there will be little bit higher 3 degenerate 2p orbitals. The similar will be for the second carbon molecule. The atomic orbital diagram, the first will be 1s, a little bit higher the 2s, a little bit higher the degenerate 3 2p orbitals. When the atomic orbitals will be formed, molecular orbital will be formed, at first the 2s orbital will combine and create the two molecular orbital. One will be anti-bonding, one will be bonding molecular orbital, that is sigma 1s and then sigma star 1s. The similar will be when 2s orbital will combine and create two molecular orbitals. One anti-bonding 2s molecular orbital, one bonding molecular orbital. Sigma 2s, sigma star 2s. Similar way, one of the 2p orbital, that is 2pz, will combine and create two sigma bonding orbital. One will be anti-bonding sigma star 2pz, another will be bonding sigma 2p. Z. The remaining two will be forming the pi bonds. Pi 2px and 2py, and this is pi star 2px 2py. That is how the molecular orbitals of C2 carbon molecule is constructed. Now each carbon molecule contains two molecules in 1s, two molecules in 1s and two molecules in 2p. The similar is for the second carbon molecule also. So in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 electron is going to be occupying the molecular orbitals in accordance with their energy levels. The first filling will be start from sigma 1s and then sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 molecules have been filled. We need to fill 4 molecules more. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then the pairing in pi will happen and the 12 molecule will be formed in this manner. So the electronic configuration for C2 molecule will be sigma 1 is 2, sigma star 1 is 2, sigma 2 is 2, sigma star 2 is 2, pi 2px, 2py as a whole 4. So this is the electronic configuration for the molecular orbital of the C2. Let's calculate the bond order. number of bonding electron 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 minus of antibonding orbital 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 2. So the bond order of carbon is 2. That means that carbon has a little bit of stability when it is combining in the form of molecule.